Taking it slow, just go with the flow.